Hey y'all, it's Kristen with Tulsa Regional STEM Alliance, and I'm here at the Gathering Place where we are celebrating STEM Timber all month long during September because STEM is truly everywhere. It's all around us all the time, and we're hoping that the community realizes that after they've experienced STEM Timber with us. So we're here at the Gathering Place to introduce another STEM in a Bag kit. This one is called Backyard Biodiversity, and it's so awesome. First of all, let me mention you can pick up your STEM in a Bag kit all through the month of September here at the Gathering Place at the information desk at the Williams Lodge. Now, let me tell you about this kit. It comes with some really awesome things because your goal is to really examine your backyard and find all the different species of plants and living things that you can in your backyard. You get to use a magnifying glass, a ruler, and a field notebook, and you become a true scientist when you have all of these tools to use, right? So like I mentioned, pick this kit up here at the Gathering Place. You can take it home, like I mentioned, examine your own backyard, or even better, take the kit all through the Gathering Place. Did you know that there are 400 different species of plants here and 16 acres, I think, of wildflowers? So you just have so much to examine here. So make a day of it, have fun with your family, and don't forget to pick up your STEM in a Bag kit here at the Gathering Place.